Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line. Hey!
What's up, everybody?
Welcome to a very new segment called
The Bling Line.
And if you didn't know, by virtue of the fact that you follow us, you're a bling, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Sibling rivalry.
Yes.
Because I imagine that some guys will be coming across this for the first time on a Bling Line episode.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
So sibling rivalry, Zuko, Talita, Ndima,
Yes.
siblings. Yeah, we've been, I don't know, did we build a community? Were we accepted into a community? Like, how does that work?
We built it brick by brick.
Blick by blick. We built the community, which is sibling rivalry. And all the members in our community are blings.
Yes, because siyazalana sonke. So we decided to come up with something that speaks to our community more.
Yes.
So what we've decided to do is to interact a little bit more with your guys' comments and answer some of them, read some of them that we found really interesting or funny or profound, and just kind of interact in that way with you guys a little bit more.
Absolutely. I think the biggest point of it all was for us to really be able to build a stronger connection in Nani. Guys, I think more than anything else, what I've realized is that you guys have become like an integral part of the show.
Yeah.
An integral part of the podcast, an integral part of something that we do that we really enjoy, but you guys just make us enjoy it all the more. So thank you so very much for doing that. And this is just kind of our way of trying to engage a little bit more. Nani man, guys.
Where is Carlos and Zivakele? Because you guys are always like, once a week, you must be crazy. Well, we've tried for twice a week.
Right? And you know what they say? He's Carlos Humdana Sihuye.
Ningalili, guys. Right, so let's get straight into it. Because
I think let's get straight into it.
Yeah, so we'll be taking a look at episode 68.
Yeah.
And episode 68, besinokola gelobola, and if women are ever involved in the lobola situation.
Sorry. Then the conversation that you had with a person at the gym.
The meet cute that wasn't a meet cute at the gym. And besinokola also about how we are different people to different people in our lives. If you guys watch episode 69, we delve a whole lot
deeper
into that. So masiqaleni ke soqala ke go afuna ufunda phatsho
Ngoqo Elam, right, commented.
Oh, that's a G, yes.
Commented and said, it's so nice to watch Damzupela grow and the things that he manifested. In the early episodes come to life. I was also so excited when Tally Baby was talking about the interaction with the gym guy. I was just like, Damzuibiri.
Why were you so excited? Why were you so about that?
I thought you were introducing someone. I thought it was it, and then this guy at the gym, and then
why does that make you excited?
No, because you're Dekwas Musba Central. Team, I'm open for love. So obviously, if you're gonna find love, then I'm gonna be happy for you.
Okay.
Kuthandane for me.
Words I've never said before, words I will never say ever. But I'm glad that you thought about. I'm glad you guys. A lot of people were like, we were so excited.
Exactly.
So obviously, the community is literally going, oh, yiningaskathande uthali.
Nazo can you fucking bras?
Yeah, ndifakele bras. Baba malume wenu.
Godmanzen.
Baba malume wenu ba disappointed zingazana.
Yeah. No, Talita, don't say that. Not
Sorry.
izingazana. Amangazana. Is that a bad word?
I don't think it's a bad
No,
word.
it shouldn't be. It can't be.
No, but it can be used in a bad light.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got you.
All right. Next.
So
let's check out the next one.
I think also just speaking to the first part of the comment, that says it's nice to watch Utamzupela grow and the things manifested early in the earlier episodes come to life. I think it's something that having a record of the things that we've done and said, I think looking back at it, nyani, you start to see, hey, these things have happened, right? The things that I spoke about, the things that I prayed about, the things that we shared and we planned. And it's nice to see that. And I think that's another thing that with the podcast is being able to watch and really see that happening and see the change kind of like in real time. I think that's super awesome, man.
That's really cool. That's the cool thing about being able to just put your thoughts on video that you can actually go back on them.
100%.
Yeah, which is cool. Thanks for that comment. It was really cute. Andina Wagama. Andina Wagama says, I'm not hooking those hooligans up. She's obviously talking about her brothers or his sisters. One is in a steady ship, and I don't know how because she's mean.
Because
also being a different people to different people. Because kusista wako mean. Yes. Sweetheart. My brother is so quiet. I don't even know ujola njani. Relationship. Hit me up when you're getting married. I saw that.
So Andy akangenanga yonke lento
yena she's just like my brother and my sister are terrible and I'll never hook them up with people.
Unjani wena? I wonder baba ngamchaza bathini yena ngaye.
Actually zichaze unjani wena andina kwagama ungena gaba nje. You're a criminal. It's giving criminal. A lot of people were saying no, they would never hook their siblings up with anyone. And then I was thinking, people are thinking about ichomi zabo. Like if you're going to hook me up with someone, you're not necessarily going to hook me up with ichomi yako.
Look, how else do I know the person?
I mean, all the people you know in your life aren't all your friends. But there are some people that you know. It's a
LinkedIn connection.
You see him every day. You might talk to him every day, but he's not your friend.
But that's where the bit of the risk comes in, because history.
So you're hooking me up with your friends?
Or people that I know fairly well enough. Because now Mr. by player. You understand? Asmas no scam artist, maybe movist, like we don't know. There's a lot that we don't know about him.
Okay, fine.
So it'd have to be with friends or people that I'm very well acquainted with. Could be a brother, a friend, yam. Because now there's a line.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, bo?
Yeah. Okay.
Any of those things.
Abongile. Commandos on hookisha up me.
Abongile bongi. Utiana, it's Zuko really growing his hair.
It's really doing it, yes. He's really growing his hair, guys. I mean, you guys voted and most of the votes were like, yeah, do it, dude. So the next time you see him, you're going to see that.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Yes, you're going to see his Flashman haircut.
There we go.
Yeah.
You know what it is. It's going to make me quick on the marathons.
I certainly hope so. It better not bog you down. Let's check out the next one. Thanks, guys, for those. Do you want to go for this one? Oh, I did. You did. In the petty culture, says on Temo 3638. We use both genders as delegates. That's in the Lobola situation.
Yeah.
In families where they don't have males, females can also be solo delegates. Some families assign delegates. We didn't finish that one, but it said according to who brought you up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So bawukhuliswe nguragadi, the chances of uragadi being the one to speak on your behalf are higher.
Oh, okay. And I think in the same breath, upalesa mataboge naye uthi, I know Kasetswana, women are involved in negotiations, especially bo ragadi or daps.
Daps.
Yeah, and I think, those two comments are kind of like speaking 100%. In the same passage.
100%. Yeah. So that's Pedi and Setswana where the women are involved.
apho bendiye khona mna bendiyolobola kaloku this past weekend. You understand?
Yeah.
Bendiyipart of i-bomb squad erongo gqithi.
Atheni rongo.
Apho ninsipani saphuma pa singabhatelanga ne-cent.
Lies. All the lies in the world. How did it go?
It went very well.
Yeah?
It went very well. It went very well. Like
Was it a nice family that you guys
it was
were
a
negotiating?
nice family.
Lesikhona za tricks zenziwayo ba.
So singabikho, and I think it's a nice way.
Why?
Because I the biggest message in all of that, kuthiwa kwakhiwa ubuhlobo. Right? Now, xa kusakhiwa ubuhlobo, you know, it's
a push and pull.
Yeah, push and pull. You know what I mean? Just to kind of check what kind of people you are, what kind of family this is.
Yeah.
So it was. I really enjoyed it. It was really, really nice. Really targety.
What did you...
savings, pass money commission, zero.
What was your role? Did you have to say anything?
Hey, ufundini.
Wawufika wathini?
Awuzokwazi kaloku uTalita uthethe izando funa uzokwazi yonke into. Buza phaa kwesitswana women. But there was also a Rakgadi in there actually.
Oh, okay.
And they're Swati. So there was a Rakgadi in there as well, which I thought was so interesting.
Why?
Because we'd just spoken about it and I'd never seen it before.
Yeah.
Only for me to see it in that time, which was really, really cool.
And that's already 3 cultures that have it, that have women in it. And the thing is, I don't understand why. Exactly, I don't understand why women would not be involved, especially because of how abantwana, especially maybe a little bit further back in the day, were being brought up by women. Oh, tata bayo pangela somewhere. So you know your child, you know like what you've put into this, so you kind of have more of a sense of their worth. I'm putting that in big inverted commas.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you're saying it.
So it's, for me, it doesn't make sense that mama wouldn't be involved in that process. Because I think sometimes what ends up happening is that it's
a context to show it's an ego contest.
100%.
Yeah.
And it's got nothing to, it ends up having nothing to do with umdana
and also making sure that umdana is going to also have the best chance of survival post marriage, because I think ubukhulu becala is that you find that nowadays abantu xa uzawubiza uncle was next door ongazi into ncam yena uphaya noba ufuna uthini ukuhlohle sakhe.
Exactly.
Isinqobo. You understand?
100%. That makes zero sense.
Yeah. Whereas when it's done the right way, la mali iyathathwa kwenziwa ngayo umtshato mhlambi. Hayi le nto yenu yoba nithenga i-kitchen suit icaba ngoku already kukho iweave kudala ilele flat for the last 28 years iyothengwa ngemali elobola.
Exactly.
Banye benza amakhitshi. Ayini bras.
And this is the thing. Another thing is also women also bayakwazi ujonga ngelinye iliso of just the character of these people's family, the members of this family. Babon by hey. Ingati kondwe off upper, you know. So I think it's only fair that they are also involved.
Yeah. I think that's a really, really cool thing. And just quickly before we go to the next comment, you also had a conversation about traditionally then abantu aba involved into yelobola ngabantu abatshatileyo no. And I was chatting to these other guys and I was like, siyafuna involve nathi bantu bangatshatanga, because how else do you get to see it?
Also, is that a rule?
No, it's not a rule. I think ezinye izinto, remember, in cultures, it's about family based.
Oh, okay.
So it's not like ufika emnyango uyabuza utshatile na.
Where's your marriage certificate?
Yeah, do you know what I mean? So it's just those kinds of things, which I think a lot of things need to change, and we need to catch up with how the world actually works now 100%. In order for Bayzandos to be right.
And isn't those change family by family based?
True.
Mtembu Vuisile says, I went to primary school with Gladys. Gloria.
Mom Gigi.
So yeah, I know Gladys was once a baby.
Covering his mouth.
Temba, we believe you. And we were having this conversation just before this, actually, and I was saying, but I feel like Gladys, like ligama mhlambi kowenu kwakuthiwa nguNolufefe, and then wofika empangelweni wanikwa elo gama you know,
yes,
ngubasi wakho or whatever,
because igama lakho lingucwenga, and now ke asizo pronounce ucwenga kaloku bra, sensho
can I call you Gladys? Evume nawe because tell you uncenga isipani And I guess that's why I said Aufike Mbangelweni.
Yes, that
100%.
makes sense.
A lot of people have English names not because they were given by their parents, but because they were given Mbangelweni.
That's actually true.
Yeah.
Because but like, you understand? Okanye like whatever, and then because you also get tired of people mispronouncing your name. Now, you know what? I'm Dingu Gladys Chance.
Yeah, no,
and
it's fine. Call me John. It's fine. Thank you so much.
Okay, but Mthembu, you win the competition. I think Mthembu was the only person
Literally the
who
only
said
person.
that they know a baby Gladys.
Yeah, but also Uti, I know a Gladys who was once a baby. So I mean amazi
Hi man.
when she was a baby. But we have believe about baby figure primary school. And they came a baby. Thanks, Mthembu. Next. Thanks. Okay, you can go.
Uzandile Kiva. Uti, and I'm fascinated by the mysterious element that runs through our lives. Everyone is looking out of the world through their emotion and history. Nobody has an absolute reality.
So that's a quote, right? And that's
by Ben Okri.
Yeah, and that's a quote about us being different people to different people.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
It's a really cool quote because everyone is looking out of the world through their window. Through your emotion, through your history, through your intelligence, through your environment, that's really,
and so
really cool.
there is no absolute reality.
Yeah.
But no, irreality inje. Therefore, we all have to then start behaving in this way in these situations.
Really, really cool. And it goes on to say in the second comment, so just because you are quiet and shy with Zuko but a bit more talkative with Talita, it doesn't mean both those sides are not who you are. But Zuko, because of who he is, taps into a different part of you, while Talita tapped into another part of you. Very interesting. Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah. And I think on episode 69, we'll go a little bit more into that in terms of how that looks like from a psychology point, I think.
Yes, for sure.
Very interesting though. Like, I think now I'm interested as much as you.
Yeah.
I didn't do research, but I mean,
no, I said
here
I
we
would.
are.
Doesn't make me a better person. Am I better than everyone? Maybe. So Zandile, thank you. And this is what I was talking to. Remember when we were talking about it, I was saying about you guys are smart out there. I know our followers are smart. The blings are smart.
Absolutely.
They know things that we don't know. And this is exactly what we speak of. So thanks for sharing with us, Zandile.
Yeah, very empowering stuff.
All right. I'm not going to read the first one because that was not what I wanted to see. But it says, if you pay body like a snake. What were you even
That was
saying?
something that I was saying. So saying, you see, I change in different situations.
Oh.
No, hey, let me not do it, actually.
Move your body like a grandma.
I rewatched that thing and I was like, that's kind of embarrassing. but you guys are really, really cool. And I enjoyed
No one said anything. They just laughed.
Yeah.
Some Besiwe Pere 8223 says, how Damzubela said it when it comes to expectations of who your sister or brother is dating could ruin everything. It is okay to let people wing it themselves. It is so toxic when siblings get themselves involved in relationships. So I can understand what that means in terms of now I'm dating when Umanu's fuck about I can understand the toxicity of that.
Yeah, we are deep.
We are deep, but I can also appreciate how it would be a good gesture for someone, for umdu to introduce you to someone, because we are kwazi and we are mazi nomnye umdu, which is how people introduce each other anyway. It's because I know you and I know this person. I really think you should meet this guy. And that's because you think baya fanelana. So it shouldn't be different in
It shouldn't be different. And I think there's a very big difference in level of involvement. Koni level of involvement ba ufuna ukwazi, curious, ufuna ulungisa. Ikoni level of involvement where you just want to be involved enough to be able to just spot red flags, maybe, for example. You understand?
It's a thin line.
It is a very thin line.
Yeah.
It is a very thin line because also depending on what the person, level of involvement that you want me to have in your relationship.
I might not appreciate
another thing.
it.
Correct.
Yeah.
Because girls out to about I want girls born. Woo! wait. Why Natano's Bonella? Oh, yay. Yo, bro, that hurts me so much, bro. Kaskungasiboneli like diyakuxelela ndangama. Uzayibuyisa le moto. Kaskungasiboneli because usenokwenzakala. This is my whole thing.
What is your thought on the level of involvement that I have in your relationship? Or your feeling? I mean, I know what your thought could be.
I definitely am open to you bringing certain things, areas of concern to me. But also not...
Because I'm very far away. Like,
but yes, you don't need to know the day-to-day workings. But hey, asaxabana nemedi. Jani ngokuba athi kum suzenze zonto ezo because also nomntu wakho uyam-exposa. You understand? And now the other person who's got your best interest at heart that knows you, they'll find it difficult to come back from that.
Yeah.
So don't talk about those things, but happy for you to be involved. In fact, ngingasikunibuza uba ngokuniqhuba njani. Senso akhonto uyicingayo. That's the level of involvement that shows care.
Yeah, for sure, and interest.
Yeah.
And
yeah, that's how I like to be cared for.
Okay, fine. I'm glad you said that because obviously, I'm very like I'll do what you tell me to do.
Sure.
When it comes to your relationships. I'm not like, like I'm never doing anything to involve myself uninvited.
Okay, cool.
To your thing, but hearing about being asked about like whatever your next motive is or whatever, I got you.
That's so cool. But ingaske ndiyazi bandithini xa unomntu.
Yes.
We never have these conversations. That's wild.
Okay.
And then we've got K Sonwabe. Lol, wait. We need the Budzuko relaxer story. Nitini. It's not the first time.
Let's stop right there.
No, we don't need to get into the story. So, we've got a bunch of other episodes, right? This is your opportunity to backtrack a little bit.
Oh, yes.
And then you can go and see exactly what happened when.
Yeah, so we've told the story before, but it was really, really early on.
Oh, it might have been on an Instagram live.
It was an Instagram live, and not everyone has TikTok or Instagram.
So, in short, in summary, in 30 seconds,
yes,
ndarelaxa utata. Utata's got the same hairstyle as me. And one day I wanted to bond with him, damn relaxer. Yamchisa relaxer apa ezindlebeni, and he was mad. He went home looking like P. Diddy on Mbandla.
What? Wena ufuna umenza uP. Diddy?
Wavuma shame. What a kind man, guys. And the moral of that story was be kind to your kids. Doesn't cost you anything. Maybe ungacha indlebe, you relax her, but look at us now.
Yeah, he's fine. He made it through that process.
Absolutely. And then cool. They go on to say, really enjoyed the topic as a chronologically single girl. We show up as different versions of ourselves because different situations.
Maybe chronically single. But okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So we show up as different versions of ourselves because different situations and people require that. Church environment is different from work environment, for example. Also, the people that we interact with have their own lived experiences. It's not a one-size-fits-all. As long as there's some consistency to the uzbani ngumntu onjani question answers.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah.
That's like, I love these comments that comment, explain, then you walk away from the comment saying, just liking it.
Yeah.
Hot.
Yeah.
Hot, like, like, done.
Umntu uyicingile, for real. And I think we do speak about it in the next episode in much more detail. So thanks for that comment, K Sonwabe.
Fantastic.
All right, now we got Tandi Kalaki.
Mm-hmm.
Professor of mine once said, life is like a stage. Each relationship is a performance. Ooh. And I get it. I'm a daughter to my parents, so I act as a daughter. I'm a friend to my friends, so I act as a friend. I'm a colleague to my colleagues, so I act as a colleague. I'm an aunt to my nephew and nieces, so I act as required. I'm still the same person, same core values, and these are the things we're saying, values, but different performances per relationship requirement. Even in friendships, and more of a fun friend to one friend than the other.
When you're strict.
And perhaps more of a mentor to another. It also depends on which season of friendship we're on. Ooh. Basically, life requires agility and adaptability. These two don't necessarily mean fakeness.
Yeah. Ihlikihlile Thandi.
Yeah, Thandi, you can come again. You are invited. You're invited to the next barbecue.
In fact, Thandi.
That was very, very well thought through, but also so true.
Yeah.
And because Thandi was linear.
Yeah,
this one has got lefts and rights and make a U-turn and come back again. But it's a very interesting fact. Thanks, Thandi, for that.
Love to see it. Brilliant stuff. Let's get the next one. Urato_95. Uti, I personally do not trust my sister's taste in the guys that she thinks would be good for me. Which good wena Rato, maybe uthanda amapedi. Wena are you attracted to the guys that would be good for you? That's my question.
Yes, what's your track record, Ratos?
Kudala uzikhethela Rato.
Exactly, and how's that going? How's that going, baby girl? I wonder why you would not trust your sister. Maybe your sister wakhe picks bad guys for herself.
Okay.
But that doesn't necessarily mean
that's a ketela barongo now.
Exactly. Umntu uzikhetela kakubi omnye umuntu amkhethele kakuhle. Like for real. Like if you ketela like clothes or whatever. Yakwazi mina be nonsense, but I can actually
absolutely
right for it.
Absolutely.
So I say give your sister a chance.
Yeah. Also, is this based on an experience or is this based on what? Or Maybe somebody else. I'm definitely not the one. But also then there's also that thing ukuthi mna traditionally ndizikhethela abantu and attracted kubo are not the people that are good for me. Then it brings up into that chat ukuthi ke ngoku mna ndithanda like whatever. For example, ndithanda bad girls.
Yes, because you're fulfilling your childhood trauma through your relationships.
And then when unbonela abantu girls is right, and then I'm just like, it's difficult because now you have to look at so many things. Kamzame man, Mrato, I think that's what I want to say.
If we are funa, don't force
it. Fair.
Thanks for that. That was very interesting also because I was also like, would I pick a girl for you? I don't know. So Mbune 6348 uthi ukuthoba means different things. Oh, besetha ngendwala.
Yes, correct. Birai.
Yes. Kuthotywa inyawo ngamanzi plus ukwehlisa inkomo from entabeni okanye ehlathini.
Correct, okanye ibhokhwe. And when I read this comment,
I was didn't know that ukuthoba is used in that instance as well. Ukwehlisa ibhokhwe.
Yes, and that's again entabeni ehlathini mna ndiyazila mna. Kuke sasicela ukhaphela ibhokhwe.
Of course, that makes so much sense.
Correct.
They're up.
Yes.
Up high.
I used ukuthoba mna in that episode talking about land ubithoki inyawo ngamanzi.
You used it in the okay.
Correct. So that for me was very interesting, Banyani. And the one that makes sense in this instance, ukwehlisa impahla from entabeni or ehlathini.
Yeah, but it also speaks to the same thing because ukuthoba is like if inyawo zidumbile uyazithoba as in you're making them go down.
Awuthobi manzi uthoba inyawo ngamanzi.
Yes.
Aha.
So you're making them go down. It was the same thing with ibhokhwe uyazihlisa. You're making them go down. Yes. You're making them go from a higher plane.
Now it sounds like you're making ibhokhwe shrink. That's what it sounds like.
Oh my God. Thanks, Taramso. That was a great comment. Thanks for the education there. You got the next one.
Andiyana bangu ayapha khalasi. Okay. That sounds nice.
Yes. Let's keep it there.
Yeah. Uthi ndingumXhosa, but I've seen that in Tswana culture, the women form part of the negotiations. I'm not sure exactly which women, as in mom, aunt, grandma, but yeah, it's a thing. Yeah, I think we definitely spoke to that. Unaledi Lerato -B8K. Uti, hey. Hey.
Hey.
Women do participate in the lobola negotiations. My granny went to one earlier this year. All I know is that they don't speak. I'm going to call my granny and ask more about it.
About why they don't
about
talk.
it though. About why they don't talk. Also, you don't need everyone to speak.
No, for sure. Not everyone has a chance to talk.
Yeah.
What Naledi, if you ever bump into this, what
did your granny say?
No, she didn't say anything.
She said she's gonna ask more. Yeah, she's gonna ask more.
That's what my question was.
Okay, sorry.
My question was, what different nationality? What language? What is that called?
Granny. Okay, she didn't write.
Yeah. What is the culture?
Yes.
Yeah. What culture is your granny? I'm interested to know. And for the other people who said that they are women, do they talk?
Okay.
But woman or one, obviously they had to talk.
Yeah, or maybe it's just for governance purposes.
True.
Sure. Let's look at the next one.
Zukiswa no manja. Why are you laughing? I would love to be a part of a liberal negotiation, eh? Out of curiosity more than anything. Me too. I wouldn't want to talk. I just want to be like, hi, man. Utila malume. Hi, malums. What did Abasa Kezi? Yeah, I'd love to also. I don't forget for in your delegation when you go. Yeah.
Hayi ke le ntombi size ngayo ke sizawuchaza ba iye ke yafumana umntana. This is why you never be allowed. Hayitshani. Yayitshani malume.
Dana.
That's all. When ungabubuza into irrelevant, but hey, uyaziyo bango kabani. No, that's immaterial. The fact is that she's got a child. Yeah, understand? Gogo ke sizawufuna inkomo ezinga. Kaloku yima kuthiwa.
Kukho le ndaba yalo baby.
You understand? ETUT waqhuba njani? Because sive thina ba wayekwi into lando wayekwi SRC and ke waphinda uaccounting 2A kathathu.
That's why you need women in these things, because you guys are not bogged down by details. We are. You guys are like, oh, she studied. Whether she took 7 years to finish her 3-year diploma, you're just like, whatever, bro.
That's cool.
That's cool that she studied, she finished, she's working. Whether she is even doing what she studied, tina sifuna ukwazi nitty-gritties.
So ningabenibuza nini buphangela phi tonto guys kanimeni kancinci.
Thanks Zukiswa for that.
Silindo kuhle Ntseke 4859 uthi etamzupela unamagama amathathu nyani amagama amathathu nyani.
Why is also that hard to believe?
Everyone wanted a chance, like.
Yeah.
Uzuko Sisa Loyiso. Zuko meaning glory, Sisa meaning?
I don't know.
Oh, Italita.
I don't.
Oh, wow. Loyiso. Huh? Susabela. Okay, Talita Zuko means glory. Yeah. Sisa means kindness. Loyiso means victory.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Okay. Nolufefe, uthetha noni second name.
Grace, my boy. Why are you outing me? I didn't tell these people. Asking. You know, there's a friend of mine who's wanted to know my other name for so long. And Nakayazi. And Goku, I hope she doesn't watch this because it's on the Landuka. But yeah, she has 3 names. Do you know who named you?
Gran. I think my dad's. I think both grandparents from both sides. Yeah, I must actually go and check.
But you don't know which is which.
And Kosho. Sisi and Kosho.
Okay, let's move on. Khumulimu Bri says, great episode, guys. The last topic was quite eye-opening. Thank you, Talita, for sharing. Would love to hear what Zuko's take is on what traits he would look for and where he ranks himself. Oh, it would be interesting to get a male's perspective on this. Great episode once again. Thanks, Khumulimo. So what traits he's looking for? Remember, I had the 3 traits that I was looking for.
someone who's willing to build.
Ufuna Bob the Builder.
No, build with me.
Not build
Vision.
you.
Okay, vision. Nah, don't build me, man. Vision.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Because andiboni. Ufuna umuntu obonayo.
Kuthiwa kushushu kule room.
I'm also getting hot.
I haven't thought about this. And I screenshot this comment. Why did I think about this?
Really?
I think so.
Even when I was talking about it, you weren't thinking about it for yourself.
I was. Okay, vision. But also a lot of these things for me, like
Indoni vision.
kumdo nombono. Uba okay, cool. I envision ubomo bunje.
Okay.
Ingaske, you understand? Looking into the future as well. How do my actions today affect my future tomorrow? How do our actions as a collective affect how we are going to live this life and make it as pleasurable an experience as possible for each other and for ourselves and each other? If there's a family involved, how is that going to work? You know, kind of looking at those things.
Sure.
How do my actions today affect my future tomorrow? What kind of a future do I want?
Yeah.
Correct. I wanted to put that as the second thing because I think a lot of these things, they don't come standard. A lot of the times it's and we're just like, oh well, dinje, and yeah, sizawubona, roll the dice. So I think in that, I think vision also covers a lot of those things.
Sure, got you.
It covers intentionality. It covers the willingness to grow and change and a lot of those kinds of things.
Okay.
So I think very widely on that. And then obviously I think then it also comes down to a not necessarily priorities, but a principles and morals chat as well. That also then affect other things that you kind of look at and look at the alignment in that. You understand? Are they aligned with mine? Because then there's certain conversations that we don't have to have.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
In terms of how to solve certain problems. And how to celebrate certain things that we are celebrating and how to get certain things that we want to get. So I think that kind of overall encompasses it.
Okay. Yeah. Khomolemo, hope you're happy with that chat.
Absolutely.
Obviously, it's going to be different. I know she said that she'd like a male's perspective.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's going to be different from male to male.
Yeah.
This
Correct.
This is the male we're dealing with today.
This current male.
This current male, yeah. Sinelisiwe Masimala, bro. Wasithi jize. 99 rand, 99 cents.
Thank you for the super
so
thanks.
much. Yes, sigqibele kudala uyabona nisilibele guys ba. Abaklolo.
Okay, your 2 bank account here to thank you so much. We really, really appreciate it, guys. We appreciate the views. We appreciate the money, the super thanks. Guys, we appreciate it all. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, kule economy ka Cyril, guys. Umntu okwazi unika omnye umntu i-100 rand is something else. But ba unayo ke kukho ibutton ekuthiwa super thanks. Press that button and you can see ungasinika abantu bayi-14 rand ba uyafuna. Thanks, Anlisio. Busizwide says, not one to comment on things I love on social media because I'm shy. But I just want you guys to know that my Fridays are so much better with you. I look forward to this part of my day. You guys are light and joy. Enkosi man, rooting for you guys. Uthi xa nisikelele kwande kukhanye. Ayikho into ewomisha inhliziyo yami njengendizi nje. It's literally like keep going. It's a pat on the back. It's a clap xa ugqiba ibanana, you know.
Down.
And it's like you're like, oh, I'm doing something good.
Yeah,
I'm going in the right direction. And and we really appreciate it. Enkosi.
Next. Try Pilates. T. They are not boring. Kucho unobu _MK.
No, I've done Pilates. I spent a good 3-4 months doing Pilates last year.
Yeah.
And it really is good. It's hard.
Yeah.
And it's great for obviously mobility and all of that, but it is boring.
Ne?
Yeah.
And this is the thing, like that's what I found in my running too, that the one thing that I don't like to do is to stretch. And it's the one thing that I should be doing. I wouldn't say I'd rather not run and stretch and you'll still be fine. You won't be fine. Don't do that. But definitely earphone Lando for mobility. It just accentuates the training that you're doing anyways, whatever training it might be. I think for me that's the craziest part. You are right. It's I call 5 minutes in and then 5 minutes here. Pilates, strength, and balls. So yeah.
It's weird. I think because you don't really see.
Yes, it's such a minuscule change.
It's a minuscule change that is so helpful. But are we borny? But when you do start seeing it, you can be like, oh, doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to enjoy doing it more.
Correct.
But if you're into what it is that it's changing, then, you should be. But Pilates is boring, bro. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah. But I think as a general, guys, it's good.
No, it's definitely amazing.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, my mobility was crazy when I was doing Pilates. And because I was lifting, immobility, strength training is nothing.
Yes.
Without adding on something like a yoga or a Pilates or whatever. So, now that I've messed up my back, I might just go strengthen in a different way.
For sure.
Yeah.
Nokuthula Mgaga 3183. Tamzu ungalinge uyenze leya haircut ucelwa yimi torho. Yes, I don't know how to tell you this. Booked Chomi. Sakwenza ngala 99 rand le besiyithunyelwe.
It's happening, Nokuthula. And now people are like, oh, you're going to regret it.
Yeah.
It's not like it's like this.
It's not a tattoo.
It's not a tattoo, bro. Like if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out.
Yeah.
We don't even have to see it. If he hates it as he's sitting in that
Say,
chair,
Wisa,
and then end of story. Sorry, Nokuthula. Better luck next time. Mo says, I'm petty. And my mom handles my negotiations. That's intense. The men, my aunts, sons, raised by my mom, that was their that were there were being led by my mom only because she's the head of the family, firstborn in a no sons family.
Fair.
Sure, because if I call my daughter, you're just gonna go find randoms.
That's what tends to happen sometimes.
I know, which is crazy.
Yeah, it is very much so.
Nah, I'm different negotiator mama, I'm finding. But like if
what about okay, Kuba? No. Carry on. I'd love to see how this ends.
Excuse me?
Tata Geko?
Yeah, that's the end of my story.
Nam. Tahamba no tata wama kwakhe.
Now, ufuna negotiate.
Upamene.
Why?
What do you mean?
Why?
Oh, your sister Yama. Come on, bro.
Those are new surprises.
Iphume iqumbile la family. Asuka yakhulwa phaka la family.
Exactly. Because Brother Walker thinks you're worth 175,000 rand.
I'll be sitting on a high chair with a gavel, my boy.
Oh wow.
In fact, ndiqala ndifuna iifamilies eziyi-2 kuqala. Ungazi ifamily eyi-1 qala. Bona ngoba kufuna nyani. Let's go to the next one.
That's so wild.
Uthi abongile, yo, niyancokola ejimini. Now I think that I'm antisocial. Ndingena sendivale indlebe, ndizivula nje to wipe sweat. Ncoko engaka. Also, I'm listening to this ejimini. I love you guys.
I was actually thinking about this and I was like, andinqokoli mna ejimini, but I've been at the gym for so long and lapho ndingamazi igama lakhe nanamhlanje. I've waved at him for a long time. It just so happened this one time that's Ngokole, but I know.
Like, who started the waves?
he was talking to someone that a girl that I know from the gym.
Okay.
And so they were I was talking to her and he was there, and then I was like, hello, and he was like, hello. So the next time we saw each other, we just said hello. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Lekker. Apho ndisancokola ejimini thina straight.
Yeah, what do you mean?
No, not really. But ndingabantu badikayo. Yeah. I will talk through but andincokoli nje. So when I say no, not really, I mean andincokoli nje.
Yeah.
Ndincokola ndisenza.
Yeah.
It's like when I'm running as well, ndila chepi guy who's gonna run next to you and chat.
That's so wild. Bro, can't you see what you're doing? It's not helping either one of us.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and doing Ngoko East, so it's not something that happens often.
Yeah.
Fix says, can't wait for the next episode. Miss you already. We act because we are afraid of judgment sometimes. I'm not that girl anymore.
Yeah, very true. Very true. That's
Yeah.
one of the reasons why we
Yeah.
kind of shift, we shape shift.
Yeah.
I don't want to call it that. That also
judge,
sounds negative. Yeah, but
yeah.
it's one of the reasons because we don't want to be judged. You rather be
In the middle, safe.
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Fix, for that.
Yeah. The Sutu tribes, Ututato N 333658. The Sutu tribes have women in the negotiations. I'm a Rakhadi and I've been involved in my niece's negotiations. It's a beautiful experience. I can imagine.
That's super dope, man.
I think that's really, really cool.
I'm gonna have to marry a Betty. Okay, cool.
All
Got
the
you.
best.
Also too. Yeah. Ngateko says my number one favorite notification on a Tuesday, Sana. Even go hospital bed. Let's go. I hope you get better. Ngateko.
Yeah.
With whatever it is that you have. I'm glad that we could offer some relief. Because
Absolutely.
we were also talking about the hospital beds and how
lonely
and boring and sad it can be to be there, but we hope we're all right.
Absolutely. Usambesiwe Pere 8223 talking about being different people in different spaces. I identify as three people in one, but I feel like I'm myself in all. It comes natural. Makes sense though. Also, like makes sense.
But also, how do you like narrow it down to that specific? By three, how many people?
I wouldn't know. I'm like that sounds very aware.
Yeah, for sure.
To be like, personality bazindathu.
But
yeah,
I myself
actually it's something worth thinking about. Wild.
I'm
Wild
stories. Break myself down there, bro, for sure. Buhleng Komna says nothing finishes me off. Ingati is the intro zenu, ingati ice break.
Ewe ingathi kwenye intro zakhe sibuzane ba so ungubani wena my sister wena uthi my brother ungubani wena. Very funny.
They're fun, it's weird, but
Yeah.
they're weird and they're fun, and they just, I feel like, speak to the day, what's happening on the day.
Yeah.
How do you feel on this Tuesday?
Yeah.
What has happened to you just before you got here? But kondiseras.
Yeah, but thank you guys for providing that space for us to be able to do that as well.
Winning us too.
Yes, judge.
Joy Mukheri says, I'm petty and Lobola is negotiated by uncles and aunts. I think that goes for the Tswana tribe as well.
Absolutely.
We got that part.
Yeah, no,
Thanks,
definitely.
Joy.
Definitely. Usanda Ndevu. Uti, everyone would say the same thing about me except for my boyfriend, which saddens me a bit. Angathini boyfriend wakho ngawe.
That saddens
Cheba
me.
abanye abantu besithi sweet yena ngathini.
I think women are softer with their significant others.
I think women are harder with their significant others.
Really? Why?
I think so.
Why?
Because awufani ifuna ukuqhelwa. Andifuna indoda ezawudlala ngam, so okay, I must try him from the jump.
No.
Yeah.
I think because women they are softer because they want to keep this thing happening, so they forgive a lot more. They bayakokosa. They're more willing to listen, be hurt, be afraid, be don't only because they don't just want to give up on it because yes, sure, there might be women which is why I'm like chronologically single, who's just like, excuse me, no thanks. So I think it's different for different people.
What I'm saying is that I know a couple of women who would rather die than boleka indoda imali.
Nifuna uboleka imali? Yabona ingxaki lapho uyifunani imali yami? Buzoyiboleka kubani bakho?
But if your brother calls, they're in a fix. More than, in fact, ngizakupha mntasekhaya. But ngaske ndi-offer bhetere inoba ndinike indoda yam, ndincede indoda yam. But asikho lapho. Asikho lapho.
Usanda ungubani kwindoda yakho? Would you rather die? Then help him out. Okay, are you really soft with him and harder on everybody else? And if so, why?
Yeah. Perfect. I feel like this is going to be a never-ending thing because now we are still asking questions on the comments.
And next week is Sipete next episode.
Next episode.
100%.
But that's very interesting. Very, very interesting. Will be very interesting to see. And I think maybe I
think this is gonna be our last one.
Yeah.
From Thabo Momoti.
Oh, and the fitting one as well, I think.
Bafethu nilichiza lethu siyonwaba xa nikho.
Ugqibile Thabos, we really, really appreciate it, guys. And I think in saying that, and in the very same breath, bafethu nani nilichiza lethu. Siyonwaba nani xa nikhona. I just completely stole your comment.
Yeah, for sure, 100%. It goes both ways.
Yeah.
Qambaz buyele mfethu.
Nice one.
I heard it from you.
Oh, sure.
So thanks, guys. This was our very first episode. Just giving back to the blings, letting you guys know about
Yeah, sure.
We do take them into consideration. They do entertain us, make us laugh, teach us, and Nkosini man nangomso.
Yes, very much so. Thank you, guys. We really, really appreciate you. Ubuko benu buyi oxygen. And sayibulela londo leyo. We oxygen buzilegese yonke londo
Sugar free like
oh, of course. So yeah, till next time, guys, please do let us know what you think of this new series, right? We also value your contribution as well. And because at the end of the day, we do this for ourselves, but also mostly for you guys. So please do let us know so that we can move our bodies like a snake.
Adjust accordingly.
Should we have to?
100%. Thanks for joining us on Bling Line. Until next time. Love each other. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling Line.